interest to talk about is iron. Iron is multifunctional. According to Medline Plus, iron is a mineral that is part of hemoglobin, helps our muscles store and use oxygen, and is part of many other proteins and enzymes. According to the Harvard School of Public Health's website article titled Iron, they state iron from food comes in two forms, heme and non-heme. Heme is only found in animal flesh like meat, poultry, and seafood. Non-heme is iron found in plant foods like whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, and leafy greens. For example, that were listed by the Harvard School of Public Health included two heme sources of canned light tuna and beef, and two non-heme sources, including beans and spinach. From my research, I could not find any food prep considerations for iron. When you think of iron, the first thing you might often think of is its link to anemia, blood, and liver. Many people often believe that eating a lot of liver can help prevent anemia caused by iron deficiency. I do believe that the reputation is true, and we'll find out more of why later in this presentation. According to WebMD, there are many medical uses for iron, including the treatment of low levels of red blood cells, low iron levels during pregnancy, breath-holding attacks in children, typically caused by low iron levels, cognitive function, including memory and thinking skills, which can help increase this cognitive function with iron supplements, heart failure, which is low iron levels can lead to heart failure, and restless leg syndromes, again fixed with iron supplements, which came from WebMD's article, Iron Uses, Side Effects, Interactions, Dosage, and Warning. Iron can definitely play a role in diseases including iron-deficient anemia. Iron in its full form is magnetic. Iron deficiency anemia is very common in the United States. According to the Mayo Clinic's article titled Iron Deficiency Anemia, iron-deficient anemia is usually caused by the lack of oxygen that healthy red blood cells can get, and symptoms can include extreme fatigue, weakness, pale skin, chest pain, etc. In many cases, which we've learned from personal experience, iron-deficient anemia can be caused by health conditions where the gut cannot absorb iron. Personally, because I had untreated celiac disease, I could not absorb iron and became deficient. Typically, the treatment is iron supplements or iron supplemental infusions, which I use when deficient. Although there is not really a risk of toxicity with regular intake of iron, there is a condition called hemochromatosis or iron overload that, according to the Cleveland Clinic, is a condition in which your body stores too much iron. It's often genetic. It can cause serious damage to your body, including your heart, liver, and pancreas. The article titled Effectiveness of Dietary Intervention with Iron and Vitamin C Administered Improving Iron Status in Young Women by Dominika Skomowska and Dominika Głowska focuses on the idea to maintain adequate iron status in young women. There needs to be dietary interventions, including the use of both heme and non-heme forms of iron, which the vitamin C would come into play. The study showed that taking the heme and non-heme forms of iron separately will help improve young women's status with iron and help prevent iron-deficient anemia. In conclusion, iron is extremely important mineral. It can help prevent anemia and plays a very large role in blood cell production. And here is my references page. Thank you.